Hello guys, and welcome back to your channel Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge that you need to stay updated right now. And yes, do remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. Today we'll see what exactly is Fortunas Finance. And you will know by the end of this video why we selected this topic and why is this so unique. So stay tuned. Fortunas Finance is a gamified staking platform with a unique and originally coded smart contract, DApp, and tokenomics that will completely revolutionize decentralized finance. Many protocols are trying to find the sweet spot between inflation and deflation to be sustainable long-term, and the Fortunas team cracked the code. How have we done that exactly? Number 1, truly rewarding long-time holders. The starting APY will start low, and the more days you keep your tokens staked, the higher the APY gets every single day. This structure is to incentivize investors, or in this case, the players, to not sell large chunks and to think of a strategy for the long term. Number 2, deflationary protocol. To get these increases in rewards, you must burn tokens to continue to support your stake, and we have burns on sells as well. These mechanisms make us deflationary from day one and give people a reason to hold the token and not just sell it off. Number 3, unique tokenomics. Instead of forking some piece of existing code, we created a brand new concept that allows us to reward people from project wallets or mint tokens. We can fund rewards via our revenue streams or mint depending on where we are in our journey. This completely new structure allows us to control inflation and not continually mint, unlike most of our competitors. Number 4, token utility from day one. Holding your tokens is the way to get better rewards, along with NFTs that boost your APY. These are 2 reasons to keep the token versus sell it. Ensuring there isn't a lot of sell pressure keeps Fortunas viable in the long term. Number 5, leveraging Treasury to build in-house features, revenue, and deflation. Unlike other protocols, Fortunas Finance will invest its Treasury directly into the project to create new features and mechanisms that will continue to grow the protocol and create more utility and deflation. This reinvesting will ensure that long-term holders will benefit. In addition, instead of being reliant on external projects doing well to support our APY, we are going to build new offerings and services that will be controlled and steered by our experienced team, much like in the gaming world where this is customary. All in all, Fortunas Finance has solved several problems of decentralized finance protocols of the past, and this will completely change the game. Those who get in early will truly benefit from being part of a new movement in decentralized finance where rewards are more realistic and rewarded for a long time in several different ways. So guys, hope you learned something new with us today, so share your thoughts in the comments below. So that is all we have for you today. Consider subscribing to the Crypto World for more amazing crypto videos daily. Peace out.